Hello everyone, I am Shifali Dhiman and I've had several teeth related issues from past many months. That included a bad toothache which was troubling me from past couple of months. There was gum issues, they were chronic gum issues, and also my veneers that need to be addressed. I had the privilege to come to the dental world, Rajouri garden, and where Dr. Tavleen Kaur treated me. And I am back again with all those problems resolved. I thank her from the bottom of my heart for taking care of me and giving me a beautiful smile back again. All my gum related issues have also been resolved. I would also like to thank Dr. Deepak, who took a great care of me and carried out a very painless extraction of my wisdom tooth. Thank you, Dental World, for all their cooperation, love, care, and support. Thank you.